Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michaela, clinical psychologist and founder of My Easy Therapy. As part of the Go Humans Academy, we'll explore how you can enhance your own self-esteem, fostering great relationships with the people around you and building the confidence within you. With the right tools, you'll be able to be more confident to tackle whatever life throws your way. In this session, we'll explore the concept of self-esteem, drawing insights from world champion rugby team, the New Zealand Black Ferns. As part of this series, they'll share their career highs, lows, and lessons they've learned along the way. We can learn from these defining moments from their careers. There's a great saying, which remains true: if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together.
When you look at that, you know that we're one unit and we're one team, and it gives you all the confidence in the world, really.
I have some pretty special teammates. I'm surrounded by the best in the world. We help each other with our superpowers, so if there's something that my friend's good at, I make sure to tell her that she's good at it so that she knows, and so that we can get the best out of each other.
I've been so fortunate to be surrounded by so many strong, inspiring, confident women. Playing rugby for my rugby club and for my province, I was surrounded by many women who were balancing multiple responsibilities: motherhood, full-time jobs. Semi-professionalism brings out more well-rounded people.
We smashed records and we had huge fan engagement, and we put women's rugby and women's sport, in the forefront of the world's eyes.
I never would have thought that we would have achieved the level of fan engagement that we did. And it's something that I hope the Black Ferns and women's rugby across the world can continue to thrive and relish the support and the fan base that we've been able to build.
So I'm just really excited to see what's next.
In looking at these exercises, the power of collaboration with a team can greatly contribute to our sense of self-worth. It's about acknowledging and celebrating our unique strengths and weaknesses without comparing ourselves to others. Having a shared central goal can create positive reinforcement for a healthy mindset. If this is also in a space where we feel trust, we become more receptive to feedback that can enhance our performance. When we're in a position of leadership, remember that being transparent with the people around us builds a safe and trusting environment. When people feel encouraged and valuable, their confidence naturally rises. On the flip side, receiving feedback can be tough, especially if we perceive it as criticism. Take a moment to understand the intention behind the feedback. It's ultimately aimed at improving a team or relationship, and having this mindset will help fuel success in whatever you attempt. Be conscious of your self-talk. Negative thoughts may arise, but we can choose to focus on the positive. Be your own best cheerleader. Remember, true self-esteem comes from within, and it's about finding purpose and happiness beyond the validation of people around us. So here's some takeaways to leave you with. 1. Team power. Collaboration in a team can significantly boost your self-esteem. It's about shared goals and mutual growth. Encourage trust, be transparent, and embrace feedback. 2. Be your own cheerleader. Self-talk has a profound effect on your self-esteem. Practice positive self-talk and remember, it's not indulgent to lift yourself up. 3. Unhelpful comparison. Social media presents us with highlight reels, not reality. Avoid comparing your journey to others and focus on personal growth and fulfillment. Most importantly, remember to seek professional help if you need it. If you're struggling, don't hesitate to reach out to a mental health professional. They can provide immediate support to help you navigate your feelings and develop a stronger sense of self. And don't forget to continue our sessions in the link below or join the conversation using hashtags GoHumansAcademy. And head to INEOShygienics.com for more information and mental health resources.
Hi, I'm Jordan Stevens. INEOS have asked me to demonstrate the cleaning power of their new Next Gen 2-in-1 dish and hand liquid.